Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and in our video today we are going to see what are the nuts that or seeds can be eaten, especially not nuts, actually seeds in this during this Navratri season. And also so we have three kinds of seeds that we are allowed to be eaten, which is black kokum or dry jungle plum, or it is in the other way is dried mangosteen. So those who are from Asia, they know what is mangosteen fruit. That is what the seeds that is allowed to be eaten. And also we have jarmagas, or the melon seeds, or some people they call it as watermelon seeds, also that can be used in this during the Navratri fast. And also we have pool makhana. Pool makhana is I will read from Google that I found a little bit about pool makhana. What is pool makhana? Pool makhana or lotus seed are obtained from Indian lotus plant Nilumbo nucifera, and it has a lot of health benefits also. The seeds are collected from the bottom of the pond or river. The collected seeds are cleaned truly and dried. Good gradient seeds are selected for the further process. The dried seeds are roasted twice or to prevent the seeds from spoilage. Once the fried seeds cools down, they are manually cleaned to remove the outer black coverings to get the whiter color pool makhana. They are then packed and sold in the markets. So this is a short description of pool makhana, so which is also allowed to be eaten during Navratri days. And all this 10 videos that I have been posting, it is about from the traditions of the northern Indian. What are the things that can be eaten, like from this kind of fast has been observed throughout the North India, especially from UP or Uttar Pradesh, from Bombay, from Mumbai or Delhi. All these places have been used. The Maharashtra has a different way of observing the fast, which I will learn more about it, then I will share with you. And also the Gujaratis has a different way of fasting, and also the South Indians, the Tamilians has a different way of observing it, and also the Malayalis and the Telugus, and the list goes so on. So these are the things that we are allowed to eat and during this Navratri fast. And I also have something that has bothering me, which I have come across with some comments directly personally was given to me, that I am promoting that something that I'm not supposed to. Let me be clear and straightforward. I'm a baptized Christian. I observe my faith very and truly deep. I know what it is all about. Navratri, it's not a celebration from my faith. I understand that, and I also have to, and others have to understand that I am promoting the food, not the religion or the practices or the rituals. Though I know what is the rituals, practices, and what is the religion is all about. So I hope all my friends who are wondering what I'm doing, I wish that my message here does not get offended to anyone. So I believe that you may also understand what I'm trying to say. It is all about food. Guys, we consume the food through our mouth, and after a few hours later, it comes out through our back. So that's about it. So thank you viewers for viewing this channel. And for those who are new, Thank you very much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe. And also those who are, and click the bell icon for those who have been with me for all this while. Thank you for your faithfulness, and I will see you in my next video. And without failure, I will wish all my friends and family members a happy Navratri celebration. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video.